Alright people, what's up everyone, and welcome to another reaction to another Doobus Goobus video, and this is Green Man in a Green Blizzard. Sounds good. He needs help. Someone help this boy. Someone get this guy 100,000 subscribers. Actually, this has been up for a couple hours. Let's see. Maybe he's closer now. Hold on. Man, get this guy. He ain't even, come on. Give him, kiss him. No, subscribe to him, and then kiss him. I bet he likes it. Anyway, so Green Man, not the Green Man. I mean Doobus Goobus. Anyway, link in the description. Go watch it yourself. If you don't, I'm gonna come over there. I'm gonna put these thumbs in your eyes. I'm gonna scoop them out, and I'm gonna put them back. Anyway, let's go. I'm getting tired of being weird. Anyway, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. I'm begging you. See? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Play.
Subscribe! I'm begging you! Oh, okay. Heavens, there's green everywhere. Oh my god, there's asparagus and cucumber Gatorade. That's terrible. Oh my gosh, it was a very large, XL-sized green t-shirt. Just went across the screen. I swear. Take my word. Holy moly, a blizzard of green. How will we cope with the sun? Oh my god, I haven't seen you in months. I haven't you in a speaking role in a year. What the fuck? What? Father, revenge waits. Us. I have one son.
Gilgamesh.
There is no point in explaining. You will not live long enough for it to matter. What?
There's gonna be some red.
It's too bad. You have to animate, you bastard. I prefer my orange blizzard. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Just kidding. My face is just really small.
Oh.
It hurts.
It's not healthy. His face being small really hurts. Oh, now I'm really upset. Now I'm sad. What the fuck? That was a roller coaster of emotions there. Oh, it's a green blizzard. Oh, my sons are here. Oh, I haven't seen them in a little while. I have multiple sons. Obviously, that's what sons mean. Oh, now they want to murder me. Now there's a guy. He's orange. He has a small face. All in a minute. It's good storytelling right there. See, that's the good shit. You come for the good shit for Doobus Goobus, and you get it. Anyway, there we go. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, I'm going to come over there. I'm going to give you something. And you're going to like it. And if you don't, I don't even want to say what I'm going to do. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks to the next time.